Easy recipes pancake from Maxx Ready Mixed Pancake Flour.
The main ingredient is gluten-free pancake Maxx Ready Mix Flour. Fresh milk 120 grams. 1 egg. Melted salted butter 30 grams.
Melt the prepared butter. In a bowl, combine milk and egg. Pour in the melted butter and stir. Add Maxx Ready Mix Pancake Flour to the mixture and mix well. Grease a pan with some butter. Pour the mixed flour into the pan. Cook for 1 to 1.5 minutes per serving or until fully cooked. Scoop onto a plate, and it's ready to eat. These pancakes, made with brown rice flour, are a delightful and healthier breakfast option. Top them with your favorite toppings like syrup, fruits, or whipped cream. Thank you for watching. Maxx Trading Group.